Very good morning to all my students there. Hope you all are having a good time. So, after having a session on different speeches of grammar, we today will be starting with pronouns. Okay, so let's start with the interesting topic, that is pronoun. We have studied about noun. I think the doubts have been cleared. Now we shall move on to pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that you use to refer to someone or something when you do not need to use a noun. Okay. So अगर हम एक ही चीज को बार बार नाम से बोलेंगे, so that doesn't looks proper, isn't it? So instead of using the name of that noun, what we can do is we can use a different word, and with the help of pronoun, we it helps us to avoid the repetition of a noun in the sentence. For example, if I say Harry is a good boy, Harry loves to eat, Harry loves to play, Harry's favorite color is blue. So, isn't it looking very weird? ये क्या अजीब सा नहीं लग रहा है सेंटेंस? तो अगर हम हैरी को एक बार बोल के बाकी नेक्स्ट टाइम से उसे ही अगर बोले, so I think that will look better, isn't it? Let's give it a try. Harry is a good boy. He loves to eat. His favorite color is blue. And like this. So what is this? So this looks more appropriate as compared to earlier one जिसमें हम बार बार Harry उसका नाम use कर रहे थे, isn't it? So he is here what? A pronoun. Similarly, what are the other examples of a pronoun? Very simple. These are it, she, my, her, him, they, we. So instead of naming a person with a noun, with a name, okay, with his name, instead of calling a person with his name, we can refer him as he, she, they, that, me, us. Like this we can refer. So these words are known as pronouns. So how many types of pronouns are there? There are 4 types of pronouns. The first one is a personal pronouns. So what is a personal pronoun? The personal pronouns, they replace the nouns representing people. When most people think of pronouns, it is a personal noun. So as I was telling, I, you, he, she, what are these? These are personal pronouns. Okay. So the simple pronouns that instead of using a pronoun, but instead of saying it as a pronoun, we can also tell them it is a personal pronoun because it is referring to a person. That is why it is known as a personal pronouns. Next one is an interrogative pronoun. What is an interrogative pronoun? It is used in questions. Okay. So they are also called WH words. Why? Because it starts with a question. They may be used in both direct questions as well as indirect questions. जैसे अगर हम questions पूछते हैं, like जैसे what, which, whose, whom. So ये सब क्या हो गया? Interrogative pronouns. Okay. So is there any doubt in this? Interrogative का मतलब क्या हुआ? जिसे हम questions पूछते हैं. और simple words कैसे हम identify करेंगे? WH से. मतलब whose, whom, what, which. So अगर ये words आते हैं कोई भी sentence में, so they are known as interrogative pronouns. We can very easily identify them. The next one is a reflexive pronoun. So what does this reflexive means? देखिए सुनने में तो बहुत difficult लग रहा है, but that is very very simple. जैसे हमने earlier बोला था आपको my, your, her, him, उसके पीछे अगर हम self लगा दें या selves लगा दें, जैसे myself, yourself, ourselves, yourselves, so they are known as reflexive. जहां पे SELF या SELVES हो जाता है तो वो by automatic becomes a reflexive pronoun. Is it clear, friends? It refers to another noun or a pronoun in a sentence which ends with self and selves. So that is called a reflexive pronouns. Like myself, Shruti. So what is here pronoun? It is myself. Please help yourselves with the dinner. Yourselves is what? It is a reflexive pronoun. Isn't it? So can anyone tell me more and more of examples of reflexive pronouns by using it in a proper sentence? You can give me a feedback on this by writing in the comment section. What are the different type of reflexive pronouns that you can use in a sentence? Okay. The last one is a demonstrative pronouns. What is a demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronoun, again, it tells whether it is a singular or a plural or whether it is near or far. Like demonstrate कर रहा है किसी चीज को, this, that, these, those. So that is a single, this is again a single, and these and those are plural. So which reflects, which demonstrates something is known as a demonstrative noun. So very simple, only four types of pronouns are there. One is a personal pronoun which starts with the simple pronouns that we are using in our day to day lives. सेकेंड हो गया इंट्रोगेटिव जिसमें हमें क्वेश्चंस पूछना है एंड वो स्टार्ट होता है WH से. थर्ड वन हो गया रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस जिसे हमको SELF या SELVES जहां प्लूरल होता है वहां यूज करना है. एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव तो सीधा है जिस डिफाइन कर रहा है कि कहां पर है, नियर है, फार है, this and that, those and these are the examples of demonstrative pronouns. So with this we also end with the pronoun section. Only four pronouns. Please understand these four pronouns very well and try to use it in your daily conversations. So thank you so much students for your valuable time, and let me know what else do you want to understand in pronouns. Till then, have a very good day and be safe. Thank you so much.